Hello, welcome to Scratch 3D Printing. In this video, I'm going to talk more about membership of the YouTube channel. Let's scratch today's topic. I have decided to change the membership of my YouTube channel here a little bit. I have decided that I will make weekly video of how to 3D model on Fusion 360 from start all the way to finish, step by step. And then we're going to import it into a slicers, mainly Orca slicers or other type of slicers if you guys wanted to. Then we will slice the model, use the setting that is appropriate for that model. And I will show you the setting that I use as well. Then I'm going to print the model and then I'm going to show you the feature and things that we have printed. How to do all of that on the membership side of my YouTube channel here. This is not going to interfere with my regular upload of other types of video covering, reviewing 3D printing, troubleshooting 3D printing, other amazing project. I have an upcoming project that has something to do with this thing right here. So if you don't want to miss that, subscribe to the channel. The membership side is not going to affect anything that I do on the regular upload. Everything will be the same. It's just that I will upload weekly videos of how to model on Fusion 360 from start to finish, specifically for 3D printing, okay? It's not gonna be really cool model like these action figures, stuff like that. It will focus more on functional parts and CAD design instead of like action figure and stuff like that. Fusion 360 is not really meant for cool action figures like a Pokemon or like, Dragon Ball Z character. It's nothing like that. It's just focus more on 3D printing functional parts, CAD design, and I'll show you a clip right here, a video that I already made, and that's going to be most of the parts that we're going to be doing on the membership side. It will be that these videos will be way more in depth. I will explain what I'm doing, show you guys what I'm doing step by step so that you can follow exactly what I'm doing and get the same 3D model, same parts, same results. Then we're going to put it to a 3D slicers. We're going to use the appropriate slicers for that model and what type of filament you are using so that you can get a clean print from that model. So if that's something that you are interested in, go ahead and join the membership down below, and I'll see you on the other side of the membership videos. Me personally, I'm very excited for this because I have to explain what I'm doing during the video recording, and that really improves my 3D modeling as well. Some things that I do naturally, I don't think about it, but when I talk out like this, it makes a lot of sense and I can catch my mistakes. Why do I always do this? I should have been doing that thing. So this will be a really good opportunity for learning for you and for me. We all can improve our 3D designing skills together. And here's the last thing. If I don't upload a video within that week, I will make it up and upload 2 videos the next week so that this is worth it for you and worth it for me. With all of that said, leave a like on this video, subscribe to our channel because more amazing stuff like this is coming, and become a member of the YouTube channel if you want to learn how to 3D model on Fusion 360 from beginning to finish, step by step, putting that 3D model to its slicers, slice it, and then print it out. If that's something that you're interested in, go ahead and join the membership down below. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep on 3D printing.